How to report and adopt me on Roblox. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So to report a scammer or any inappropriate behavior in Adopt Me on Roblox, you can follow the simple steps to ensure that your report is effective. So first of all, you need to go ahead and report the trade in-game if the issues involves a scam during a trade. You can go ahead and contact the Adopt Me support for a more thorough investigation. So go ahead and search for Adopt Me game in the search bar first. Here in this page, scroll down and tap on Report Abuse. Select the category on the subject. Select Exploiting, Cheating, and Scamming. Now in the comment box, simply type in the problem that you're facing and how you were scammed or any inappropriate behavior inside the game. After that, tap on Report Abuse, and that's it. Another thing you can do is you can fill out the Roblox support form. For that, you need to go to roblox.com/support, hit enter, and this will take you to the Contact Us page. From here, simply enter your username, your first name, your email address, confirm your email address in the next field, and also select the device that you're having problem on, and select the type of help category. Then after, provide a detailed description of the incident in the box. You can also attach any relevant screenshots or information about the scam, and then tap on continue, which is highlighted in black color, and you'll be done. Do not forget to include a clear and concise description of the incident. So never trade items with the promise of getting them back. And do not share your personal information. Keep your account details private and stay informed. Familiarize yourself with the common scams by visiting the Adopt Me Scams wiki. And be cautious with unverified links. Do not click on the suspicious links or provide information to untrusted sources. So that's all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.